Hello and welcome to No Boss TV. In this video, I want to talk to you about how to go from surviving to thriving. I think a lot of new entrepreneurs need to understand that there is a game changer out there, and it's only available for smart entrepreneurs, right? Just like you. So if you feel like you're just scraping by, are you just scraping by? Your business is, you're getting a sale, it's trickling in every now and then, you're just scraping by. Let me tell you, you're not building a business. You're just treading water, and there's a lot of things that you may need to focus on one at a time to get your business off to a consistent, regular flow of business activity. And so, if you're a new entrepreneur, you may not realize that one of the things that you need to focus on is your books. Your books can be the key to building your business, boosting profitability, and then creating wealth. I mean, but you've got to understand the value and the benefits of bookkeeping. You've got to have it in place. You've got to do the work and you've got to use it. Now, building a team, marketing, products, pricing, and financial management. But you can't have financial management. You can't manage your finances if you don't know what they are. If you don't have them collectively in a bookkeeping system that allows you to document it, review it, and say, wait, this is what my business is doing. Because bookkeeping quantifies your activity. It quantifies everything that's going on in your business so that you can pick up that document and say, wait a minute, I'm not making any money on this product or service. This employee is costing me too much. I've got the money to do this. I've got the money to grow. I can do this. All that information is included in your books. So you don't have to scrape by. You just have to know where and how to improve your business. And oftentimes that's you can see that in your books. So let's get real for a second. Because you probably have no idea how well your business is actually doing. But bookkeeping is an essential part of getting that activity working. And if you've ever wondered how some businesses seem to just magically make money and thrive, yet your business, who started maybe even before they did, or started at the same time they did, or you started the exact same business as somebody else, and yet you're struggling and they're thriving. Is it their product? Is it their marketing? Is it they had more startup capital? What exactly is their secret? I can tell you for certain that it could be any of those things. It could be a combination of those things. It can be all of those things. But here's the key, because you're going to say, well, how do I know which one it is? You have to be able to look at the activity that you're generating to determine what needs to be improved. It's essential that you might think your business is too new, or you're not making enough money, or you should wait until you hit a certain milestone. The solution to your problem, whether it's marketing, whether it's your product, whether it's startup capital, your secret is in your bookkeeping. The solution is not new. It's your bookkeeping. And without it, your business is bound to struggle. Okay, if you're ready to stop guessing and actually see what's working in your business, drop the word thrive in the comments. I will send you the cost to sales worksheet, a simple tool that gives you a quick win by tracking what you're selling, for how much, and what it actually is costing you. You'll start to spot the profit on every sale you make, whether it's your product costs, your shipping fees, or how your pricing actually stacks up. This worksheet is already set up with editable columns for tracking the sales, product costs, pricing, shipping charges, and shipping costs. And you can customize it, tweak it, and start seeing real numbers fast. Just comment Thrive and I'll send it right over. And if you want more help growing your business the real way, check out the No Boss Hubs on Facebook. All of the links to our 6 No Boss Hubs are in the description below. Now, let's stop surviving and start thriving.